Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add Instagram feed to Showit. Alright, so first up, log into account.showit.com. And once you're in here on your dashboard, just go ahead over to the left panel and click on third-party integrations, okay? In here, we have the Connect to Instagram button. Just click on it. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, just click on Allow, okay? If it asks you to log in, just go ahead and log in. So here we have the check mark. So let's just go ahead over to our website builder right here. I'm going to refresh it. And then I'm just going to go ahead over and create a new page. Okay. Under pages, I have here the new page. Okay. Maybe I'm going to name it Instagram, like so. And then once done, I'm going to go ahead and click on the new canvas. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in a new element. Right here, we have the social grid. Okay. Just click on it. If you want to, you can go ahead and maximize this one like so. And don't forget to adjust this in your mobile view as well. So just double click on it. At the top, just choose an account, choose your Instagram account. And then once done, just wait for it. And here you have your Instagram feed. And when we hit on preview right here. And by the way, you can go ahead and adjust the settings if you want to. I'm just going to click on preview right here. And when I click on a image right here or a video, there you have it. Right? Image. And that is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.